Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be taking a look at a special type of brake light for use on the back of your helmet. In other words, keep your eyes peeled if you want to be seen. Light, bright and highly visible at night. I'm talking of course about the brake-free smart brake light. Now it looks very interesting, but what is it?
The brake-free device itself is best described as a fairly large but cool-looking standalone brake light unit, designed for placement on the back of your helmet. It's surprisingly lightweight and very, very bright. The 100 red LED lights improve your visibility and presence to other road users, and they show when you're braking, be it by touching the brakes, using engine braking, or making an emergency stop. You can set it up in 3 different modes. Active, which looks like this. Pulsing, which looks like this. And stealth mode, which looks like this and offers the best possible contrast. The brake-free light is very bright indeed, and when activated will draw attention even during the day. The bike brake light is often fairly low down and will be completely emitted behind a slightly larger than average car to other motorists. Having a brake light on the back of your helmet vastly improves your visibility, and in many cases does that at eye height. Although it's already well on its way to being a household name for bikers, the brake-free smart brake light is actually a crowd-funded product that gained a lot of popularity through Shark Tank. They made a deal with 2 investors from the program which was never actually closed. The founders of Brake-Free didn't need the money anymore and could now stand on their own legs. That's the power of a clever product. Waterproof, built to last and completely without the use of wires and mobile phone apps. Yes, it weighs around 170 grams, but once it's on your helmet, you honestly forget it's there. Well, at least until people start asking about it. Don't worry about forgetting to turn it off because it does have a standby mode and it is very easy to mount.
A common question that people ask is, will the brake-free light fit on my helmet? And the answer to that is almost always yes, as the light fits on 95% of helmets currently available. Even if I have a big spoiler, yes. Even if my helmet has big vents, yes, no problem. Next common question, is it easy to mount? Oh yeah, much easier and quicker than installing a communication system. There are 2 mounts in the box, one standard size, one extra large, and they're both already prepared with a 3M adhesive. All you have to do is line it up correctly, give the surface a wipe with the alcohol prep pad and stick it on.
There is actually a fitment tool on Brake-Free's site that you can use to see if your helmet is compatible, and if so, which mount you should use for installation. The battery should last you between 8 to 12 hours depending on riding conditions and your chosen mode. Stealth mode will naturally use the least battery power and, according to rider feedback online, should be able to get you even more than 12 hours of use on one charge. You can easily charge it up by using the included USB-C cable, and the device charges from empty to full in just 1.5 hours. Well, this all sounds pretty good, but are there any downsides? Well, we found 2. Sort of.
It's not cool. Well, I actually think it does look pretty cool, but you might not like the look of it, and if that is indeed the case, then it may not be for you. It's not cheap. Then again, it's not just another light, it's a safety upgrade. And with that in mind, and considering that it will last you for years to come, at €189, I think that it is completely worth it. Well, that's all I have to say for now about this innovative brake light, so thank you very much for watching. If you want to check it out, head to our website fortomotor.com, where you will of course find the brake-free brake light and many other products for great prices. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss any of our future content, and we do hope to see you again at the next one. Thank you very much and cheerio.